smart multifunction kitchen gadgets and tools to make cooking easier and more fun. Smart multifunction kitchen gadgets can be a great asset to any home. They allow you to save time, space, and money while also making cooking and meal preparation easier and more enjoyable. Whether you're looking to whip up a quick meal, create a gourmet feast, or just have some fun in the kitchen, these top kitchen gadgets will make your life easier. From the latest appliances to the most innovative gadgets, here are the best smart multifunction kitchen gadgets to maximize your cooking experience. Number 1. Spina, an easy-to-use colander with spinner in one. A colander with a twist. Lock the handle to use the Spina as a colander or twist it to create the pump action spin. Use it to drain pasta and rinse vegetables, or turn it into a spinner. No more shaking or drip drying your salad leaves. Instead, the pump action handle rotates the spinning colander, drying your produce in seconds. No more splash. Keep your countertops dry and avoid splashing water everywhere. The Spina salad spinner fits perfectly into the sink when you want to give it a spin, keeping the water where it's meant to be. Non-slip foot. The silicone foot will cling firmly even to a wet sink when spinning at the highest RPM. The lettuce spinner basket is intended to keep your food contained within it. Simply press the handle down for a quick stop break. Handy handle. With space-saving and easy storage in mind, the handle can be pushed inside the colander, allowing it to be stacked in bowls and completely out of the way. Number 2. A multi-purpose roll-up dish drying rack. This roll-up dish drying rack rolls out to fit neatly over any standard-sized kitchen sink. Ideal for drying hand-washed dishes or washing fruits and vegetables. Is made from high-quality stainless steel and coated entirely with food-grade silicone. The rack is also made out of high-temperature resistant silicone. Super easy to clean and easy to store, as it rolls up completely, so takes up minimal space. Stir, scrape and serve. Sapon is the world's best cooking spoon. With its flat silicone tip, deep scooping head, and flexible squeegee sides, you can scrape your pan or bowl clean, leaving nothing behind and even less to clean up. It comes with 15 ml tablespoon and 5 ml teaspoon measurement lines. Now you can scrape, measure, stir, mix, scoop and serve using one spoon. Number 4. Pancake batter dispenser and mixer. Making smooth batters for pancakes, waffles, crepes, and other dishes has never been faster and easier. The wide opening makes it simple to add ingredients, and the base also serves as a support to keep the mixer steady when cooking. To use, simply add ingredients to the squeezable bottle, toss in the blender ball, and shake. It will mix your pancake batter and allow you to neatly dispense it. The heat-resistant silicone spout won't melt when pressed to the griddle, and the pressure release cap will stop batter from spraying. Number 5. Stainless citrus peeler. Impress family and friends with this simple but unique stainless steel citrus peeler, which allows you to quickly and easily remove citrus peel. Simply score the fruit with the sharp edge and remove the peel while holding onto the point edge to protect your nails. You can use it not only to peel oranges, but other fruits like pomelos, grapefruit, lemons, and more. Now you can eat healthier every day by eliminating the pain of peeling. This is definitely a must-have gadget for your home and outdoor activities. Number 6. Retro Hot Dog and Bun Toaster. This hot dog cooker toasts up to 2 of your favorite regular size or extra plump hot dogs along with 2 hot dog buns at the same time. It has an adjustable toasting timer and stop toasting button allow you to toast your hot dogs and buns to your preferred level of doneness. Use the included mini tongs and hot dog cages to keep your hands safe when removing hot dogs and buns from the hot dog machine. Slide out the drip tray when done toasting for easy cleaning. Number 7. 2-in-1 oil bottle dispenser and oil sprayer. The ingenious design of this oil bottle combines the dual functions of an oil dispenser and an oil spray bottle and is simple to use to meet the daily cooking needs of the kitchen. It comes in a clear glass container that makes it simple to identify the contents inside. It's also easy to use. With just one hand, you may switch from one function to another with a single push of the top button. Its stainless steel, no-drip round bottle opening aids in the steady flow of oil and regulates the amount dispensed. The spray function is equipped with a fine spray nozzle, letting it control the amount of oil release and spread it out evenly. Perfect for use in baking, grilling, or when air frying. Number 8. Al Dente Spaghetti Tester and Steam Releaser. Ever had trouble figuring out when your pasta is ready? Is it always a little undercooked, or does it become a pile of mush? We've got the perfect fun kitchen gadget for you. Introducing Al Dente, the spaghetti connoisseur. More than just a novelty item, this friendly pasta tester and steam releaser puts the fun in functional. Plop al dente on the edge of your pot, and he will cast a line or two to reveal whether your pasta noodles are ready and cooked to the right texture. With the help of this professional pasta tester, you can say goodbye to uncooked pasta noodles and make cooking your spaghetti meals quick and simple. Number 9. The Whisk Wiper. Whisks have always been messy, wasteful, and a pain to clean. Whisk Wiper solves all of that. Here's how it works. First, place Whisk Wiper onto the included stainless steel whisk, taking a moment to line up the loops and then whisk away. Whisk Wiper keeps the loops up off the counter. It even catches the drips. You can rest the whisk cleanly on the edge of the bowl. And when you're done, instead of washing all that food down the drain, simply pull Whisk Wiper off and return it to the bowl. Whisk Wiper helps you save every last bit. It even gets corners. There's a mini Whisk Wiper for small jobs and for larger mixing tasks. The Whisk Wiper Pro is made just for stand mixers. Just line up the loops and push Whisk Wiper Pro down onto the whisk, then whisk as you normally would when removed. Whisk Wiper Pro catches drips and keeps your counter clean. When you're done, simply pull Whisk Wiper Pro off the whisk to avoid messy cleanups and save batter. The contours of Whisk Wiper Pro are even designed to perfectly clean your stand mixer's bowl. Whisk Wiper Bake More, Clean Less. Number 10. Adjustable Pot and Pan Organizer Rack. You no longer have to worry about your kitchen being a mess and being unable to find your cookware when you need it. This adjustable pot organizer rack will help keep your pots, pans, lids, trays, plates, cookie sheets, and even cutting boards well organized and easy to reach. The sizes and mounting orientation of the organizer rack can be adjusted to meet your needs, giving you more flexibility in organizing your pots and pans the way you want. You can store more while conserving a ton of space in your kitchen cabinets, pantry, and on your countertops with this product's huge capacity but compact design. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button and subscribe if you want to see more cool and interesting inventions. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.